Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming ownership. This process is about legitimate recovery, not bypass. First, use the device's built-in recovery flow. Tap the lock screen option like Forgot PIN or Forgot Password. Make sure you have the account recovery phone number or email accessible and a nearby trusted device if prompted. Once done, follow on screen prompts to receive a verification code. This protects privacy while letting you regain access through official channels. Next, complete verification to prove identity. Enter the code sent to your recovery email or phone, or approve the sign-in from a trusted device. Make sure to read prompts. Sometimes you'll be asked to confirm recent activity or input a recovery key. After verification, choose a new passcode or password that's memorable yet strong. If the standard path fails, use your account provider's recovery key or two-step verification backup options to regain full control. Finally, if you cannot verify ownership, consider the official fallback, factory reset or vendor support. Factory reset erases data, so make sure you have proof of purchase or account credentials before contacting the manufacturer or carrier. They may require serial numbers or ID. Once support restores access or you set up the device anew, restore your apps and data from cloud backup. Troubleshooting tip: if verification codes don't arrive, check spam, carrier blocks, and time zone settings first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.